Good morning, students. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary, Bethian. Students, we are very much concerned about your future, about your study. That's why we are providing different materials, useful materials, we can say, through our e-learning platform. And we are very much happy to know your response that you are taking interest and you are becoming more and more benefited from this e-learning platform. Students, today I have decided to teach you the most important grammatical unit, equally important for class 10 as well as 9. The name of the topic is determiners. This chapter has been taught in class 9 also. So I would like to remind you some important and initial points which may be as foundation for your further studies. The students, determiners, a newly added tool of grammar which was not an integral part of our old syllabus or old grammar. Earlier, only article was taught, but new grammar has made us more powerful and more useful by providing this unit determiners. Determiners, a noun form of the verb determine, which means to indicate, to fix, to give signal, to just make us aware, and to warn also. What does it indicate? What do we mean by determiners? So, if we look at the words, its meaning is very much clear that determiners are the words which indicate the coming of noun in a sentence. In other words, we make clear that determiners are the words, are grammatical words which give us signal that any noun and sometimes pronoun is likely to come just after it or few words after it. Sometimes we find that there may be an adjective or an adverb in between that very particular determiner and the noun. When these two words are used, determiner is pushed behind, but it never loses its importance. It's never just give the way to be confused that the importance of determiner is going to be lost. So be very much serious, very much concerned that determiners are going to determine the arrival of noun in our sentence. Suppose I have a pen. Pen is here a noun and a is determined. Earlier it was known as article. If we look at another example, I have a red pen. Red is an adjective which has been placed in between the same determiner and the same noun. Let us talk about the third example. I have a very good sound. You find that a is determiner and very is an adverb and thereafter good is an adjective. Sound is noun. So these three examples are going to make you very much clear that there may be an adjective as well as adverb in between determiner and noun. Students, now we are going to talk about the words, the grammatical point, grammatical units which include determiner. The major portion of determiner is covered by article a, an, and the. The major portion I am talking about. In other words, we can say that this grammatical topic article has been added to determiner, and it plays a very powerful role, very important role in making the usage of determiners very much clear. The second is demonstrative. Demonstrative, these four words, these, that, these, and those, they are demonstrative adjectives. They may be used as determiners in need of time. Third one is possessive. Possessive, her, your, my, their, our, its. These are possessive adjectives. They are also used as determiners. The third one is some, any, one, much, many, few, little. These are also the words which may be used as determiners. So these four units in combined way known as determiners. One question should also come to our mind: if adjectives may be used as determiners, what may be differences or what may be difference in between adjective and determiners? Two major differences are there. The first one is adjectives qualifies any noun or pronoun. It adds something to the status of noun or pronoun, while the determiners never qualify any noun or pronoun. It just gives the signal of its arrival. The second portion is that adjective may be used after or before noun, that very particular noun I am talking about, but determiner is only used before noun. So keep these two differences in your mind whenever you are going to just study the usage of determiners. Students, now I am going to start the usage of different determiners. The first unit, the first topic, the first component is article. Article is very important grammatical tool that adds beauty to determiner. A, an, and the, they are known as article. A and an are indefinite articles, while the is definite. A and an, they are very just limited in their usage, and they are used in very limited concept. The common point in between a and an is that both are used before singular countable noun. Both are used before the noun which is singular as well as countable. Their usage is generally determined by the sound of the noun that comes after them. How are they used? Students, wait for my next video. In that video, I will just make you the usage. I will just teach you the usage of all those important determiners, which will play a very just inspiring role in making your knowledge enhanced. So thank you. Wait for the next video. Stay healthy, stay at home.